So it is 9:45 now on, is it Friday today? Saturday today. There's a really good morale here, really kind of shared camaraderie. It's really, everyone's in really high spirits. There's quite a lot of shared intel. People are kind of sharing what they know and also sharing kit as well. So some people are able to swap a medical kit for rations, that sort of thing, which is really, really helpful in a situation like this where lots of people from all different organisations, and so we can collaborate and try and organise getting resupplies in. So the plan for today is that we've got a couple of tasks going on. One of the biggest ones is in about an hour's time. We have a delivery coming through. We have 2 tons of supplies coming through, so that's going to be food, water, medical supplies, mosquito nets, tarpaulins. So we're going to unload all of that and figure out what's needed and where, and see if we can start distributing that as soon as possible. We also have another donation coming through from Shelter Box, so we're coordinating the movement of that to get that into the island as well. We're still very much in the initial stages of providing immediate relief, stabilising and helping people get everything they need before the much longer road to looking at recovery in the long term. So this is a Hercules C-130 military plane that's just landed, bringing apparently 2 tons of supplies for the military and some aid as well. So the boys are going to unload everything, get it all unpacked and sorted, and hopefully we can get some stuff distributed out to people.
Yeah, Roger Howells from Sylvan. We've just been asked to assist the unloading of aid that's just come into the airport, so if we can get it away and more aid can get in. So the sooner we can get it done, the better.
Brilliant, thank you.
Pallets are so heavy, they're now going to pick the ramp up level. We then manually pull it back onto the ramp, and then they lower the ramp so it's the correct height for lifting, and it's all go again.
3, 2, 1.
They can't go nowhere.
Yeah, I see.
That bottom bar will stop it tipping.
Take it down, Cam!
We've just arrived from Barbados. We literally just unloaded all the cargo. I think there's a lot of shelters on there for people to live in. And we're going to fly back now. As part of the RAF, we're flying between different islands, dropping off stuff, dropping off people. Used for all sorts, to be honest. They're mainly transport. We can transport cargo, packs. We do paradrops as well. I think it's going to be flying at least once, probably twice a day. But how many flights to different places, I don't know.
Okay, so the plane that we've been waiting for all day has just arrived, it's just landed. These are medical supplies, blankets, food, water, diapers, all sorts, everything that you could possibly need, plus a lot of construction materials, wood, chainsaws, hammers, nails, saws. So it's going to make a really big difference to the people on the island, and I've got the military boys behind me are going to help with unloading. So let's get out on the runway and collect this gear and get it sent out to people as quickly as possible. There is a military flight, an A400 big military plane coming in very soon. So we need to get this cargo unloaded as quickly as possible, and then we need to sort it, get it into the Rotary Club vehicles, and the Rotary Club have organised for it to be transported down into Road Town, main town. It may be that we help with some of the distribution, depending on when that is. But certainly we'll do everything we can to get these vital supplies out to the people that need them most. People I was speaking to this afternoon desperately need water, they need food, they need mosquito spray. All of that is in this plane. So we'll get it unloaded, despite the rain, as quickly as possible.
I'm with the crew that just flew the plane. The Merit Flight very happily donated it. I come here all the time and I love Tortola. Devastated right now because I can't recognize it.
Yeah.
But we're here to help. We got 6,000 pounds of cargo. We just went to Anguilla, dropped off 7. We'll be back.
How many flights have you done, relief flights?
This is my first.
Right, not the last?
Nope, not the last.
Fantastic, thanks so much.
Good thing.
So this is a real coordinated effort here. We're this flight unloaded and get all of this gear into the main town to the people that need it. So it's a very quick turnaround for them here. The pilots from Ameriflight have to get back as soon as possible because the airport is closing down for curfew, but they are then going to start on the next couple of flights to St. Thomas, Anguilla, wherever they're needed. Ameriflight has donated several different flights to bring aid to the countries, the islands that need it most. Our second aid delivery plane of the day. This time this is bringing a delivery from Shelter Box. So we've got 50 aid boxes. They're 25 kilo boxes filled with all sorts of supplies, plus 17 kilos of medical supplies as well. We've been granted a special late delivery. The airport is closed, so we've been given permission to come and land so that we can get this into storage tonight, which means we can start sorting and processing it tomorrow morning. Okay, so it's now about midnight. We've had a really successful day getting those 2 deliveries of international aid into Tortola, which is great. A thunderstorm has just hit us, so it's lightning and thunder outside and pouring with rain, and all the military guys have run outside to have showers in the rain. It's the only fresh water we can get access to. And other than that, I've had a really nice dinner and got myself a little workstation set up, which is good. So yeah, I'm just now getting used to life in the airport. This has become home. Got my little station all set up. I've upgraded to a camp bed, which is really cool. The military guys here have been so welcoming, so helpful. I think the fact that Team Rubicon UK has so many members who are ex-military veterans really ingratiates us with them, and it means that they're looking after us really well, and they're making sure that we've got food, we've got rations, we've got water, and yeah, so we're feeling very much at home, we're feeling very supported. We're all in this together, and we're all doing whatever we can to help. So I'm going to carry on with some editing and then try and get a couple of hours sleep before a big day tomorrow. Good night.